Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel Stride Talk auto refill. You can cancel guys anytime without incurring a cancellations fee by contacting Stride Talk customer care and the center or using the account, and however you can claim any discounts. So guys, auto refill method: display auto using app and login. Open your Stride app and your phone login account, and step 2, access to auto pay setting and click on the back line or menu option, expand the locate and select manage auto option and disable auto refill method to disable auto. So guys, method number 2, disable auto refill using web, and go to Stride Talk website and you log your account and select your line and scroll down and manage plan and turn auto refill option under manage plan. There contact state and talk with customer support. To reach state talk customer support, request cancellation service and you will support number following automation voice after pressing say speak with leave. So guys, I have this video helpful. See you on another video soon. Subscribe to my channel.